taking a lot of force. It's casteted. Some aluminum right here. Don't ever do this when it's running. See, there's some tore out threads right there. That aluminum is all tore up. Yeah, the only way, and I'm almost positive that that's why they threw it out, because it wasn't running right, because that wouldn't go tight on them.
That's crazy that the threads just pull right up.
Well, but see that aluminum, as soon as they get jazzed up like that, it's done. It's just...
So essentially we gotta find out if they make a helicoil for spark plugs.
Right. Toro spark plug thread repair with save a thread part 2.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a save a thread helicoil repair on a Toro Recycler lawnmower.
So they do it. They sell it. This guy's got it all threaded out.
So you actually ream out the hole and tap it again?
Re-tap it for the helicoil. Cutting fluid.
What's that?
This helps screw this in. Okay, now it's staged. Help you. Take a look at it. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully there's some threads in there. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Can't get it to start. Something's not right here. This should fit this. Either that or we have to make it fit. This looks like it's all scraped up. It can only go in like that.
It doesn't fall in there or something?
Well, you know, maybe you're onto something. Hey! I wouldn't have thought about that in 100 years. Rotate it clockwise until the insert is engaged in one or two threads of the body. Place this tool squarely over your tap toe. Rotate the mandle while holding the body.
So just start screwing away right now?
Well, that's a good question.
There's the logic of have this thing be square against the...
Right.
But I've already got it coming out, so I've got to basically commit.
Start over.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I mean, it seems like this has got to be sticking out a little bit. Awesome.
Looks like it's good.
Yeah.
Now how are we going to get it out? Not expanding it? I think I stretched it too much. Well, that fell apart pretty fast.
Yeah. You know, those helicoil is the brand you always hear, kind of like Band-Aid, except for it looks like one that the guy used in the YouTube video, just a metal insert. You know, it's not all this spray weirdness.
You must have just got that baby right on the center, huh?
So it's jammed up now. It's not turning anymore.
It's like a lock nutted, see, because this is threaded into this head, this is threaded into the inside of it.
Oh yeah! That'd be why there's all the wrench marks.
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, because now it's going again.
But see, right now we're out of the hole. I'm wondering if we can't go all the way and restart it. Okay. Get lucky.
Well, you can see that there's just a little bit.
Yep, yeah, and it has to be below that. Yeah, I would say you're good.
Oh!
And then you're going to want to grab it here and twist it without taking the rest of the thread out. Oh, there you go. Just don't let that other piece come up though. Yeah, and then back and forth a little bit. There, and then there's a piece of stuff that got to come out. Yep. This actually isn't too bad, this carbon coming off of here. You can see these are the milling machine marks from when they milled it on the, originally on the machine, probably a robot or a CNC or something. You can feel them. I guess I'm used to stuff that has much higher pressure, you know, down at the plant, or in steam especially. If it starts a little wisp in there, and steam coming through, pretty soon you have a big groove in it from steam cut.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Steam listens through. Steam would come through something like that, even with a good gas, unless your gasket really. But we had stuff where you couldn't have a mark on it. It had to be. Well, we learned something today.
Yeah, I'm kidding.
Because watching that video certainly didn't show us what we went through.
Nope.
Smell fresh gasoline.
Oh yeah.
Well, you do have to get the gloves.
I do get the gloves.